How to enable real-time ride tracking on DiDi. To enable the real-time ride tracking on DiDi, you may follow up this process. So open up the DiDi app first on your device, and then once you open it up, you should be finding this section once you are logged in. So I can navigate to the sidebar menu first, and once you head over, tap on Safety Center. So what you can do is you can basically select the trusted contacts and add the phone numbers of the people you want to share your ride status with. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to the section. So here you can basically tap on this add trusted contacts and add up the people you trust with whom you would like to enable the real-time ride tracking. And then once that is done, during a ride, you can choose to share your trip status with these contacts. They will be receiving a link to track your ride in real time, and that's it. So you may just go ahead and follow up the process. The recipient will receive a link for tracking your progress in real time, including your driver's location and estimated arrival time, and that's it. So this is how you enable real-time ride tracking on DiDi. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.